water fountains. This is from some friends of ours, Liz and Tom, and they are native plant growers and good friends of mine for years in San Diego, and just were motivational and inspirational for me with growing natives, attending the Native Plant Society meetings, and now I have one of their fountains that they had in their yard, and we've got it solar hooked to it. So I've got two of their plants too that they had in their yard, a toyon over there and a spiny redberry to feed the pollinators. So this is a tribute to Tom and Liz. Love those two forever.